What is going on, guys? It is Justin from the J Media back with another video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to adjust your coilover ride height. You can raise it up if your car is too low, or you can lower it if you want to lower your car more. So the car I'll be working with today is my 2007 Honda S2000. Doesn't matter what brand of coilovers you have, they pretty much work the same on any car. So yeah, first step is go ahead and jack up your car, take off the wheel, and let's get to adjusting the ride height. Alright, so coilovers I'll be working with today are HKS HyperMax coilovers. Like I said, the process is the same for any brand of coilovers. So if you notice, there are 1, 2, and 3 points on the coilover. And usually when you buy a coilover set, you also have a coilover wrench. So first thing what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and loosen this bottom thing right here. This is your pretty much like your lock nut. To tighten it, to loosen it, you have to loosen this first. So you want to go ahead and grab your wrench, and you're going to go ahead and spin it in the anti-clockwise to loosen it. Okay, so now that you have this thing loosened, you can see it spins freely. I usually like to, spin it out a couple notches so it gives me more space for adjustments. So let's look up here. There's two different things you could do. The bottom one right here is if you're going to raise your car up. So if your car is too low, you want to raise it up, you're going to adjust this. If your car is too high, you're looking to lower it, you adjust this on the top. So in my application, I'm going to be lowering the car a little bit. So what we'll be using is the same wrench you got, and you're going to go ahead and spin it. So like I said, to lower it, the top, and you're going to raise it up the bottom. And before I start, what I like to do is grab some painter's tape just so you can mark it, so you know exactly how many turns you have done. So what I'm going to do is just mark it on the top one, just right here. Alright, so we have the painter's tape marked up here, and to go ahead and lower the car, like I said, you're going to spin the top one, you're going to be spinning it clockwise, so towards you. And it's a lot of trial and error, so if you know exactly how low you want to go, in my case, I'm going to lower it about ½ an inch, just a little bit. So I'm going to start off with just 2 spins. So what I'm going to do is place the wrench, so it has like these little teeth, and you see there's little slots. You want to go ahead and place it in one of the teeth. And then once you grab hold of one of the teeth, you can go ahead and spin it. So like so. And then spin it. Alright, so I went ahead and spin it exactly 2 rounds back to the same spot where the tape was, clockwise. And what I want to do now, I know some guys use measuring tape. If you know exactly how much you want to lower, you can measure how many threads or how many threads. In my case, it's a lot of trial and error. So 2 spins, and then what I'm going to do now is tighten this. So you're going to just spin it clockwise all the way down. And then once you have it down, you're just going to use your same wrench and go ahead and tighten it. Get it nice and snug. Alright, I hope you guys like that simple video. Like I said, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe. I make videos 4 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 9 a.m. Central Time. This was a little how-to video. If you guys saw the previous video, we talked about lowering the car, lowering the S2000. But like I said, we do have a bunch of plans for the S2000 coming up, so make sure to stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the subscribe and notification bell to be notified on new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.